welcome to the Nexus. Today we're entering the world of Alien101, written and illustrated by me, Eli Beaird. Published in 2016, Alien101 is a story about a nerdy senior in high school trying to learn about life and love. He's also an alien, which makes things a little more complicated. So this is a coming-of-age story about a nerdy teen alien from space alien. It's a romantic comedy with sci-fi fantasy elements. One day, man meets a hopeless romantic, Marie, who tells him about how great love is, which starts man on a mission to learn what the whole love thing is about. He confesses to his childhood friend, who moved away a few years ago, named Brandy. Also, while this is happening, there's a character named Terry, who's referred to as a shadow cat, who seems to be trying to collect man's alien shadow for some sort of ritual. So it does get wacky. Important to know, as I'm working on this story, I did have a purpose for creating it. So although it is funny and wacky, there is an overarching narrative point I'm trying to make with the story. Because the story isn't complete yet, I probably shouldn't get too far into it. The feeling and tone is very slice of life, romantic comedy. Of course, the aliens being involved and magic being involved take a very strong role in the plot, but it's mostly about the character interactions. Because although it is, of course, a romantic comedy, which is pretty common within stories, this one loosely based off of my own experiences. So the characters and development of the characters happens in a more interesting and compelling way than I've seen done in a lot of other places, but I might be a little biased on that. My favorite part is the jokes. Of course, I wrote the jokes, but I still go back and reread my comics sometimes and get me busting up laughing. It's actually pretty embarrassing. You can read the comic yourself by following the link in the description. This comic is also featured in the card game Scattered Nexus, linked in the description as well. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next world.